What's up, guys? Would love to talk about some more triad stuff, but before that I'd like to have some tea. And also thank my dear friend John for introducing me to those fine PG tips. Earl Grey. This is not a commercial actually, I just really freaking love it. We're isolating here in Tennessee, which is a nice place to isolate trees and nature. Very different than you. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of triads and also birds, but definitely triads. I'd love to just go over this together for a second. So I'm gonna play F major with 3 inversions. So F major, and I'm playing 6th, 5th, and 3rd string. So I'm keeping the same sets of strings, so sometimes the finger might be odd, but it's for the best. So this would be F major, root position, F, C, and A. And I really recommend understanding, hearing and listening to these colors and knowing which note is which, so you're kind of like more tentative. Also, you know this is F major and then maybe this is F minor. So in any case, F major root position, first inversion, so A in the bass, F and then C, and then F major, second inversion, C, A, and F. So again, root, first, and second. Then we're going to do the same thing from the 5th string. I'm going to start here just because this is kind of the beginning of the guitar in that sense. So this would be F, second inversion. So C in the bass, A, and F. F, second inversion. Root position, so F, C, and A. Then F, first inversions. And notice how nice it is. It's just, you know, inversions are nice. Then from the 4th string, we're doing 4, 3, and 1st string, so that's the D, G, and E. So in terms of notes, we're playing F major root position, so it's F, C, and A. And first inversion, it's A, F, and C. And then second inversion, C, A, and F. Again. I'll just go over the whole thing again. So from the 6th string, these are the inversions: root, first, second, and root. Then from the 5th string, second inversion, root, first inversion. From the 4th string, root, first inversion, second inversion, and root. It's a deep breath. Let's do F minor as well, while we're at that, right? We're in this zone. So F minor. So what's different between major and minor, right? Just like one note. The A becomes A flat, right? The 3rd becomes F flat 3. So you can really see it, the F major into F minor. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So if that was first inversion major, you know, knowing the notes really help, because I just can be like, okay, I just need A flat in the bass. So here we have it, A flat, first inversion. So root position, first inversion, second inversion, F minor. Check it. From the 5th string, second inversion, F minor, root position, first inversion. Then the same thing from the 4th string, root position, first inversion, second inversion. Let's go over it again. F minor, root position, first inversion, second inversion. Then you can also do second inversion, root, first, root, first, second, and root. And you can decide that, you know, you want to go and play in order of the inversion. So let's go back for a second to F major. So I can do root position, first inversion, second inversion, root position, first inversion, second inversion, root. That's how I would kind of do that. I would just make sure I can see the inversions and I can switch in different parts of the neck, right? So I can do root position, first inversion to second inversion here, or I can keep going on the 6th string and go to second inversion here. there are many options, and they all sound and feel a little bit different, and it depends on the, you know, on the chord and what you need at the moment. So now with only major and minor we can get pretty far. Like a 4-chord song. Okay, I can take creep for a second, for example, just play with the inversion and get different colors. So, whoa, there's an animal there. I think it's a turkey. Well, it's a few actually. Can you hear it? So cool. The woods. So again, we were at Radiohead. So again, G major, B, maybe second inversion. Right, and I was limiting myself only to play that song on a 6th string and kind of shift around the inversion. So you can find a lot of really cool stuff if you start messing around with inversion, not to mention of course with jazz songs. So yeah, I kind of overplayed. I feel my fingers are a little stiff. Okay, so you can take a jazz song, right? Like again, any song would be great, but I'm gonna take one of my favorite songs, All the Things You Are, and just to first inversion to root position, second inversion to first inversion. Right, so it's very simple. First A section of All the Things You Are, F minor, root position, B flat, minor, E flat, A flat, D flat, G, C. Then I can decide maybe I want to play root position and first inversion. So root, first, root, first, root, first, root, first, root. You got it. We're gonna use one shape for the diminished right now. From the 6th string, we're gonna use this one. Just move it around in minor thirds. From the 5th string, we're gonna use the same thing and move it around. And the same shape from the 4th string. So again, just 3 notes. I'm not doing the fully diminished. This kind of sound. Explore some sounds and take a shape and move it around, like we spoke before about writing. So even this simple major shape with some open strings could be really nice and strong. Just some root, some inversions, really simple stuff, and some open strings. So I would really encourage you to kind of learn the shapes really thoroughly in F. You can start there, then mess around with it a little bit, you know. And then if you want to be a little bit more methodic, I would suggest running it through the keys. For example, starting from C, and maybe descending F, and then ascending B flat, 2, 3, 4, E flat, just switching like that, A flat, and you can decide different patterns, right? You can do 4 chords, 4 inversions per chord, then switch ascending, descending, or ascending, descending the same chord. The point is that you want to try and hear as much as possible and be aware of the notes and start kind of feeling comfortable. And then also I always advise to try and find this balance between the technical facility and practice and the creative stuff. So try to just mess around, take a shape or two that you're feeling it and you're liking the sound of it, and move it around and try to find something that, like a little melody, maybe writing a song. And then also make sure that you're practicing with the metronome and clicking, and you have your T and your bells ready, and you know, you got your stuff together. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking the time. Please subscribe. Please share this with a friend or an enemy, Depends on how you feel about it. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.